Hey everyone, if you're looking to access your N26 bank account online, we're going to show you the easiest way to log in and get started. So first, open your browser and head over to the N26 website. From here, you'll then be able to see the login button in the top right corner. So simply click that. So N26 will then ask you for your email or phone number that's linked to your account. Plus, it's also going to ask for your password. So if you've forgotten your password, there's also a handy forgot link right next to the password field. So just click it to reset your password via email or through the app. Now next, depending on your security settings, you might actually be prompted for a two-factor authentication code. That's going to be sent to your phone or through the N26 app. So this extra step keeps your account safe and secure. And once you've entered your credentials and verification code, you can then simply click login and you'll then be taken straight to your online banking dashboard. So from there, you'll then be able to check your balances, make transfers, manage your cards, and even review your transactions all in one place. And that's it, guys. So logging into your N26 account is really quick and simple once you know where to go. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.